Good morning. Welcome once again to my office for another weekly. Wow, I am always honored to have you with me. I'm grateful for your interest and all of those who respond in various ways, whether on Facebook or on my website. Always have written notes available, and that will help us as we think about words for this world and also words that prepare us for the world to come. Our word this week is the word excel, maybe just two letters, XL, but also the word EXCEL. A young man had these two letters engraved on the back of his watch, XL. If you are like many, your first reaction to those two letters, reading, seeing the letters XL, is to think extra large. After the soldier's death in combat, his father shared the story of XL. XL was the young soldier's shorthand code, his reminder of how he wanted to live his life. XL. He desired to excel. XL means EXCEL. I have not used a word of the week that begins with the letter X. The options are somewhat limited. And by choosing these two letters, XL, I now have an X word in my wow list. And I also chose XL, the two letters, because it may be a bit attention getting. But if you prefer, this week's wow is the word excel, EXCEL. You perhaps made the association with our word excellent. You who know me best may remember that Philippians 1:10 is for me a favorite Bible passage. Learn to approve what is excellent. That's the translation of the ESV. Translation is not easy. Literally, the text says things differing. That simply is a reminder that all options are not equal. Choose what is best. I like that summary. I like that translation. In life, we have good, we have better, we have best. How often do we settle for good rather than the better, or settle for the better rather than the best? And so, our word of the week, excel. I like to say aloud the little Greek word spoudazo. It kind of rolls off your tongue, spoudazo. In 2 Timothy 2:15, it's translated do your best. Or another translation says be diligent. I like to associate it with our word of the week, XL. There is a best version of you in God's eternal plan. Choose the correct things. Put your choices in order. Choose what is best. I could multiply Bible verses, excuse me, and I'm going to stop with a bit of a cough today. I could multiply Bible verses, not my point. My point is for you to think today, this week, this month, repeatedly about these two little letters, XL. And when you see these two letters, remember, we're not just talking about extra large. Our word of the week, excel. Pursue excellence. I especially think that is important in the things of God. Be the very best you that you can be. Be the very best person. Don't slack. Don't be satisfied with good enough. Don't be satisfied with average or mediocre. And incidentally, there would be another very good word of the week, mediocre. But our word this week, the word excel. I hope it's memorable. Hope it's encouraging. I hope it will make us better and that we will choose what is best. Thank you for joining me. As always, remember, God loves you. I love you. That's the way it's going to be. Looking forward to sharing with you another word of the week in the future. Join me then. Until then, God bless.